Corner of Stories. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
The Child and the Wounded Bird. In a small village nestled between fields and forests, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Sammy. Sammy loved spending his afternoons exploring the meadows, watching butterflies flutter and birds sing. One sunny afternoon, as he walked along a winding path, he heard a faint chirping nearby. Curious, he followed the sound and found a little bird lying on the ground, its wing twisted and injured. The bird looked up at him with frightened eyes, trembling with pain. Sammy's heart ached as he gently scooped the bird into his hands, whispering softly, "Don't worry, little one. I'll help you." With the bird cradled close, Sammy hurried home, determined to care for his new, feathered friend. At home, he created a cozy nest for the bird, using a small box, and lined it with soft cloth. He named the bird Chirp and made sure it was comfortable. His mother showed him how to make a gentle herbal salve to soothe Chirp's wing, and Sammy applied it carefully, doing his best not to hurt the little bird. Each day, Sammy fed Chirp crumbs and fresh water, and he'd sit beside the nest, talking and singing to keep Chirp company. As the days passed, Chirp slowly grew stronger. Its wing began to heal, and soon it was able to flutter a little. Sammy's heart filled with joy each time he saw Chirp gaining strength, and their bond grew deeper. Every morning he'd greet Chirp with a cheerful, "Good morning, Chirp," and Chirp would chirp back happily, filling the room with its bright song. One day, after many weeks, Chirp's wing was fully healed. Sammy knew it was almost time for Chirp to return to the sky, and he felt both happy and sad. Part of him wanted Chirp to stay forever, but he knew that birds belonged in the open skies. He took Chirp outside, his heart heavy, but determined to do what was best for his friend. He looked at Chirp and said, "You're free to fly now, Chirp. The sky is waiting for you." Chirp looked back at him, as if understanding the boy's words. With a soft chirp of thanks, the little bird spread its wings and took off, soaring higher and higher into the clear blue sky. Sammy watched Chirp go, feeling both proud and a little lonely. He stayed by the meadow long after Chirp disappeared, watching the other birds and hoping his friend would come back someday. Days turned into weeks, and though Sammy missed Chirp, he was glad to have helped it heal and fly again. Then one sunny morning, as Sammy played near the meadow, he heard a familiar chirp. Looking up, he saw Chirp swooping down from the sky, its wings strong and graceful. Chirp landed on Sammy's shoulder, nuzzling him affectionately. Sammy laughed with delight, overjoyed to see his little friend again. From that day on, Chirp would visit Sammy often, flying down from the trees to greet him. Sammy felt a new kind of joy, a happiness that came from helping someone and letting them go, only to see them return out of friendship. Sammy's heart swelled with gratitude every time he saw Chirp flying free. He had learned that true kindness often meant putting another's happiness above your own, even if it was hard. And so, the boy and the bird shared a lifelong friendship, their bond unbroken by distance or time. Chirp's visits became a cherished reminder of the power of kindness, healing, and love that endures through every season. And they both lived happily ever after, one in the trees, the other on the ground, forever connected by the heart.
I hope you enjoyed with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and